The best power impact wrenches make tightening and loosening bolts fast and easy, offering high torque, durability, and convenience for automotive construction or DIY projects. Starting at number 1, Makita XWT-08Z Impact Wrench. The Makita XWT-08Z 8VLXTR brushless cordless high torque Torque 1/2 inch. Impact wrench delivers up to 740 lbs of fastening torque and 1180 lbs of nut busting torque in a compact cordless design. Its brushless motor maximizes efficiency and extends runtime, while the 3-speed power selection provides precise control for a variety of applications. Featuring a 1/2 inch friction ring anvil for quick socket changes, this impact wrench is ideal for automotive, construction, and heavy-duty fastening tasks. Number 2, Ingersoll Rand 2235 Timax Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand 2235 Timax 1/2 inch air impact wrench delivers up to 1,250 lbs of nut-busting torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty fastening and loosening in automotive, industrial, and construction applications. Weighing only 4.6 grams, its lightweight, compact design reduces user fatigue, while the titanium hammer case and steelware plate ensure durability in harsh working conditions. With a 4-position power regulator and one-handed forward-reverse control, you can easily adjust torque and direction for precise operation, all backed by a 2-year warranty for reliable performance. Number 3, DEWALT DCF900P1 Impact Wrench. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless High Torque Aguante Impact Wrench DCF900P1 delivers up to 1,030 lbs of fastening torque and 1,400 lbs of breakaway torque for heavy-duty fastening tasks, with 4-mode speed settings and a variable speed trigger for precise control. It features precision wrench TM control to help prevent over-tightening, battery guard TM, shock-absorbing battery protection, and an on-tool LED work light for better visibility in dark spaces. The kit includes the impact wrench, battery, charger, and kit bag, making it a versatile cordless solution for automotive, construction, and general fastening jobs. Number 4, DEWALT DCF900B Impact Wrench. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless High Torque with Hunhai Impact Wrench DCF900B delivers up to 1,030 lbs of max fastening torque and 1,400 lbs of breakaway torque for demanding fastening and removal tasks. It features 4-mode speed settings, a variable speed trigger, and precision wrench TMN control to help prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff, while the built-in LED work light improves visibility in dark workspaces. The tool also includes battery guard TM to reduce battery wear, and its 1/2 inch hog ring anvil allows quick socket changes. Battery and charger are sold separately. Number 5, Seesii Impact Wrench. The Seesii 1000 cordless impact wrench delivers up to 886 lb, 1200 Nm of breakaway torque and around 738 lb, 1000 Nm of tightening torque, powered by a 21V brushless motor and dual 4.0 Ah batteries, making it a strong cordless option for automotive, yard equipment, and light truck work. It features a 1/2 inch hog ring anvil for quick socket changes, variable speed control with multiple power settings, and an integrated LED work light, plus a set of impact sockets and a carry case for ready-to-use convenience on car, mower, truck, and RV tasks.